Hello, happy candle makers. I'm Melissa from Nature's Garden's creative team. Today I'm going to show you how to make a coriander and salted olive candle. We are often asked if you can add salt to your candles. We really don't recommend adding actual salt to your candle, but what you can do is give your candle a super awesome salted look. We will show you how to do just that. In this candle, we are using our brand new fragrance oil, coriander and salted olive. This is a super fresh, super strong scent. I highly recommend getting your hands on this one. And we hope that you enjoy this recipe. Let's whip it up.